Early in the morning, I work out as well. So right before my workout, I generally have 4 pieces of badam.
4 pieces of badam? ये चार की क्या calculation है? How did she arrive at 4 now? I really want to know. Hello, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Prachi Puri. I'm a fitness nutrition specialist and coach. I also happen to have lost over 60 kilos of weight myself. What I do with this review series is I bring you along for a look into what your favorite celebrities, YouTubers eat in a day in order to see if what they're saying in terms of fitness advice, diet tips is actually scientifically true or not. The last video in this series was a review of Sejal Kumar's What I Eat in a Day. If you haven't checked that out, you can click here and do so now. I got a lot of requests for this one on my Instagram, which is why today I'm going to be reviewing Komal Pandey's What I Eat in a Day. Let's get right into this, yeah?
क्या बना है? कैसे बनाया है?
ऐसे है।
हाँ
मैंने हरी मिर्ची डाला
हाँ
और प्याज डाला
हाँ।
और
ये क्या है? ये क्या है
चिला
लेकिन?
है
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, रख दो यहाँ पे। और क्या है?
और ये पानी है।
पानी है? बस पानी है? इसको पता है क्या कहते हैं? इसको प्लम कहते हैं। बोलो
पुलाव
बोलो प्लम।
पुलाव
Stop it.
तो बस आई एम गोना टेल यू व्हाट आई ईट थ्रू आउट द डे। बट अब मैं आपको किचन लेके चलती हूँ और दिखाती हूँ वहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है। Going to the kitchen. You must have seen her already. That's Basanti Didi. She makes food for me. हम लोग सिर्फ बादाम वाला दूध पीते हैं इस घर में. Sorry, my kitchen is a mess, but yeah. तो यस ये है, मैं ये दूध पीती हूँ आमंड मिल्क, सो गुड। या तो आमंड मिल्क पीती हूँ या तो सोया मिल्क पीती हूँ। सोया मिल्क जनरली आई लाइक विद कॉफ़ी मोर, आमंड मिल्क इज़ गुड फॉर चाय एंड ऑल, आई फील, पर्सनल चॉइस। तो ये वाला दूध हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं एंड आई डोंट कंज्यूम डेयरी एट ऑल। बस इट्स अ चॉइस, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू गाइज टू डू इट, बट ना मैं कंज्यूम करती हूँ ना अपने घर में मम्मी पापा किसी को भी लेने देती हूँ। आई जस्ट फील इट्स मच हेल्दियर टू हैव आमंड मिल्क।
Okay. See, in her defense, Komal did say twice or thrice that she uses almond milk instead of cow milk just because she likes the taste. It's her preference, which is fine. But when she talks about making her parents switch from cow milk to almond milk, repeatedly says it is healthier, I think it could be a little misleading to the 1 million people who have watched this video, although I am certain that she doesn't intend to be. A lot of you have had milk all your lives. Most of us Indian kids have. But for some reason, a few people are now switching over to these other types of milk because, just like Komal, they heard or they believe it is healthier. Which really gives me two questions to answer. Question one: are these other milks in fact, in reality, healthier than cow milk? And the straight answer is
No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. 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 No.
no. See, in its composition, in nutrition science, there is absolutely no claim to prove that almond milk or soya milk is somehow healthier than cow milk. Okay? In fact, most studies clearly state that in terms of nutrition density and in terms of protein content, it is very tough to beat cow milk. Now that that's clear, we come to question two, which is, should you then consider switching to other kinds of milk? And the answer is It depends. See, strictly scientifically speaking, the only reason you should switch from cow milk to other kinds of milk is if you are, wait for it, lactose intolerant. What does lactose intolerant mean? See, lactose is a type of naturally occurring carbohydrate present in milk. You know that inherent sweet taste that milk has? That's because of lactose. If you are someone who on a regular basis experiences an upset stomach, nausea, diarrhea, bloating after consuming dairy products, it is possible that your body just doesn't digest lactose very well. But even if that's the case, even if you are lactose intolerant, only removing cow milk from your diet would not fix the issue, right? You would have to avoid all lactose products altogether, not just milk. You know what I'm saying? So the bottom line really is, and I repeat, if you are someone who's never had issues related to dairy, related to cow milk, there is absolutely no reason for you to switch from cow milk to any other kind of milk. Clear?
This is what my breakfast looks like right now. That's चीला. ये बेसन का चीला है. इसमें प्याज और मिर्ची वगैरह है. इसको ऑलिव ऑयल में बनाया है. ज़्यादा ऑलिव ऑयल नहीं डाला है. And that's how I like it. And these are some fruits. I'm not sure if I'll have the plum because last time I had these, they tasted extremely sour. So I'm not sure. But I'm a big fan of grapes. That's some warm water. And that's the almond milk tea.
Alright, that's the final product. Breakfast. I'm always excited for breakfast. Okay, first of all, excellent, Komal. Please note that she's starting her day off with some fruits, which is something I 100% approve of. Morning time, your liver glycogen levels are running low. It instantly gets you that energy spike that it needs from natural sugars in the fruit. And so breakfast is a great time to have any fruit of your choice, okay? She has some tea with almond milk, which is sure her personal preference. You can have cow milk as well, no worries. बेसन का चीला, बेसन देखिए कुटे हुए चने से बनता है. Think of chila as a gram flour pancake. Good complex carbs for energy in the morning, nothing wrong with that. What is definitely missing in this meal though, Komal, is a source of protein. Guys, protein for breakfast, I would say, is essential. Why? Because protein has a definite satiating quality. मतलब it reduces your frequency of hunger. भूख बार बार ज़्यादा नहीं लगती. You can go from breakfast to lunch without getting hungry again in the middle. So a portion of eggs on the side maybe, or some soya chunks in the besan ka chila itself would have made this a really well balanced meal, but that's okay. Let's watch more.
टी एंड ये है जैगरी. अब ये है गुड़ पाउडर. मैं चीनी नहीं लेती हूँ बिल्कुल भी.
I will give Komal the benefit of the doubt here. Perhaps Komal doesn't know, but 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder actually has the same number of calories as 1 tablespoon of white sugar. So sure, from a health perspective, jaggery powder may be slightly better than white sugar, but calorie wise, from a weight loss perspective, there's really no difference between the two. So a better alternative than both, if you are trying to lose weight, would be some natural sweetener like stevia. 0 calories, 100% organic, doesn't spike insulin the way sugar or jaggery powder does. Just a solid alternative for anything sweet.
कितने चम्मच डालोगे? 1 चम्मच. एक और डालो ना. हाँ, एक और डाल दो. थोड़ा सा.
Wait, did I just see her put the wet spoon back in the... Oh, Basanti Didi. Dude, we'd get whacked for something like this.
So, now I'm going to eat my food. So, I was saying कि क्या बोल रही थी मैं? कुछ तो बोल रही थी. भूल गई मैं. तो जनरली सुबह आज मेरा वर्कआउट का दिन नहीं था, बट अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग आई वर्कआउट इज़ वेल. तो राइट बिफोर माई वर्कआउट आई जनरली हैव 4 pieces of बादाम.
4 pieces of बादाम? ये 4 की क्या कैलकुलेशन है? How did she arrive at 4 now? I really want to know.
Then after my working out, I'm usually famished, like I'm starved, so I need.
Yeah, no wonder you're starved. Komal, I'm not surprised. The 4 badam are not making you feel full.
Okay, so now it's lunchtime. I'm dressed up because I was shooting, but we just took a break in between because I'm starving and we need to eat. So for lunch today, again, not something very heavy. So I'm having brown rice. I'm a big time sucker of rice, but too bad I can't have it on a daily basis. Like not the normal rice because काफी carbs होते हैं उसमें.
Okay, by the way, brown rice and white rice have the same amount of carbs, if not more.
I'll show you मैं कितना खाती हूँ. So right now I have 2 bowls here, one for me, one for Divya. Divya is right behind. तो दिव्या को मैं अपने से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा दूँगी. But I'll show you how much I have. So please यहाँ आ जाइए. So this is my bowl, and this is 1 spoon. And this is the second spoon. That's it. इतना लूँगी मैं. और अब मैं इसमें बहुत सारा दाल डालूंगी, बहुत सारा दाल डालूंगी. So basically the point here is that चावल कम, सब्जी और दाल बहुत सारा. So अब ये दाल डाला है इसमें.
Okay, alright, that's a decent helping of rice, not bad. Green veggies. But you, Komal, dal is also carbs. Guys, dal is a source of carbohydrates. Want to know why? Go watch this detailed scientific breakdown of dal on my Hindi channel. I highly recommend you watch it.
And now सब्जी. तो अब हम ये सब्जी डालेंगे बहुत सारी. Oh my god, I love beans. Normally I like having achar or like garlic chutney with it, but आज मैं ऐसे ही खाऊंगी. बस, that's it.
Whoa, I do like the amount of veggies she's eating, but she didn't really leave too much in the bowl for her friend. Again, this is a very classic, typical carb-heavy Indian meal. I would like it way more if she replaced the dal or the chawal. One of those for a paneer or chicken curry or some other protein source. But yeah, overall it's an okay meal.
And it's 4:16 right now. So अब time है कुछ और खाने का. So we'll go and snack. मैं बताती हूँ मैं generally क्या snack करती हूँ. So generally I am a big lover of these chips called Nachni chips. मेरे घर में कम से कम 3 से 4 बार महीने में आता है. And these are also not very expensive. How much is this for? 70 rupees. Actually no, these are expensive, sorry. But you know they're healthy and this is the only thing I snack on, so it's fine. I don't really mind the investment. So they're basically low calorie healthy snacks. You can binge on it and way better than those processed chips that you get otherwise.
Yeah, but you could also go for some whole foods though, right? I mean, first of all, those Nachni chips are probably just as processed as other packaged chips. Just because Nachni chips are comparatively better than a packet of Lay's doesn't make it a good snack in and of itself, right? I believe she's having some grapes with this meal, which is good. Maybe she could just throw in some boiled eggs as a snack, some sprouts, peanuts would be great. But I am starting to get a little concerned that she doesn't eat enough protein in a day. Let's watch more.
My mother makes it in ghee. Every kind of snack, whatever she makes, it's generally in ghee because it's very healthy, good for your skin, good for your throat.
She's right there. Ghee is a good choice. Some people have the incorrect impression that it's not. You see, regular vegetable oils that we use in our kitchen have a low smoke point. What does that mean? That upon being exposed to high heat, they almost start burning, like they change chemically, which may become harmful, carcinogenic over time. Ghee, on the other hand, has a high smoke point, which means it's okay to cook at high heat and it still doesn't go bad. Also, you remember the lactose intolerant problem? Now, ghee is a dairy product, but it is completely free of lactose. Wait, didn't she say she didn't consume dairy?
I don't consume dairy at all.
no dairy. I do not consume any kind of dairy.
Hey, maybe she just doesn't know ghee is a dairy product, okay? It's not the end of the world, okay? It's fine.
And then I also snack on fruits. I told you I love grapes. I love watermelon juice. आज सुबह मैंने juice नहीं पिया क्योंकि watermelon था नहीं.
Oh, additional tip. Always pick the fruit over the juice. Always. Always.
It's 7 o'clock. Shoot is over. I'm starving, so before even like taking a shower or removing my makeup, I'm gonna hog. So dinner में बहुत ही light लेती हूँ. Especially because a lot of times in the daytime, even though I have brown rice, rice is rice, and it is carbs.
Again, Komal, what's wrong with carbs? I mean, the dal you so generously eat is also carbs. Guys, there's nothing wrong with carbs, okay?
So I ordered grilled chicken salad. Sometimes I also order crispy chicken salad in the daytime for lunch. But I don't want to have anything fried because crispy chicken is fried raat ko. So I'm having grilled chicken salad with a lot of lettuce.
Fried food is fried food. If it's okay to eat it in the morning, it's also okay to eat it at night. It is the same thing. Remember always, guys, weight loss is a function of calories. Calorie deficit is the name of the game. Fried food is not ideal. It's yummy. So eat it once in a while, but it doesn't matter what time of the day you eat it at, okay?
For this video, this is what I eat in a day, and in case you feel that I eat really less, don't worry, I don't. I have a trainer who trains me every day. She knows what I eat, how much I eat, and I eat as much as I should according to my height and weight. So don't worry. But yeah, that's it.
I'm surprised the personal trainer is not pointing out that for an active woman in her 20s who works out every day, she's definitely not consuming enough protein, which is concerning.
I have never been a green tea person. मैं इनफैक्ट दुनिया की सबसे अनहेल्दी इंसान हुआ करती थी up until I think about a year ago. Now suddenly I have become extremely healthy. I take a lot of pride on it, but it's taken a lot of reprogramming, and I'm being very honest. So till the time you're not passionate about your body, your skin, your hair, it's a very difficult ride. And now because I have come down, like I'm at a place where for me my body, my skin, my hair is one of the most, not even one of the most, the most important things that I need to take care of, because I feel like your body is your God and this is something God has gifted you, so you need to take care of it. And so I do it. Like I work out, I eat well.
So for those of you who don't know, because I didn't know before I started watching this video either, it seems Komal has lost a significant amount of weight in the past. I believe she also has a weight loss transformation video. You see, most of us end up eating the same way all our lives, and we generally pick that up when we're kids from how people around us eat. I have to say, I have immense respect for anyone who has been able to, in Komal's words, reprogram or recondition their minds in such a way that they're able to transform their bodies. It only goes to show that what they have on the inside is so impactful, so powerful, that it starts to quite literally change what's on the outside. Credit where credit is due. It's clear that she puts in a lot of effort, a lot of thought into eating the way she does. And as long as she has that drive, she will keep learning about what is right, what is wrong, what she can improve upon, and she will keep progressing. There is no doubt in my mind. I mean, while I certainly hope this video helps you guys, I also hope that this somehow reaches her, and helps her know more. I'm certain there is a lot I can learn from her. She's got a very unique style, insane creativity if you check her Instagram out. But what stands out from her story to me is just a lot of sheer resilience. And you know what? I had a lot of fun making this video. So thank you, Komal. Congratulations on all your achievements. Thank you guys for spending time watching this. I sure hope you got to learn something new. If you did, you know the drill. Don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. Like only if you liked the video, and I will see you later. Hi Basanti Didi.